In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs Voice Changer. By the end, you'll have logged in, uploaded your recording, selected an AI voice, fine-tuned the settings, generated the transformed audio, previewed it, and downloaded the final file. First, log in at elevenlabs.io. In your browser, go to elevenlabs.io, click Login, and sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard right away. Next, go to Voice Changer. From the main navigation, open the Voice Changer page so you're on the screen where you can convert your voice recording using an AI voice. Now upload your original voice recording. Click the Upload button, select your audio file from your computer, and confirm. You'll see it appear on the page. Wait for the upload to finish before moving on. If there's a visible waveform or file name, that means the file is ready. Using a clear, noise-free recording will give you the best results. From here, select the AI voice you want to transform into. Scroll through the available voices and click the one you want. The selected voice will be highlighted. You can switch voices later if you change your mind, but for now, make sure one voice is clearly selected before generating. Now adjust stability and style, or style exaggeration if needed. Drag the stability slider to control how consistent and steady the AI voice sounds. Higher stability reduces variation, while lower stability adds more natural fluctuations. Then adjust style or style exaggeration to set how expressive or animated the voice should be. Increasing it will emphasize emotion and delivery. Small adjustments here can make a big difference, so move the sliders a little at a time. If you're unsure, start with the default values. You can always come back and refine them. Once that's done, click Generate to create the transformed voice. The tool will process your file using the selected AI voice and your current settings. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. Don't navigate away until the generation is complete. When the result is ready, preview the result and make adjustments if necessary. Click Play to listen from start to finish. If the voice sounds too rigid, slightly lower stability. If it sounds too flat, raise style or style exaggeration a bit. Then click Generate again to produce an updated version with your new settings. This process is non-destructive. Your original recording stays the same, so feel free to iterate until the tone and clarity match what you expect. At this point, click Download to save your new audio. Choose the destination on your computer and confirm. The transformed file will be saved so you can use it in your project, share it, or edit it further as needed. That's it. You've successfully used ElevenLabs Voice Changer to transform your recording, previewed the output, and downloaded the final audio. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.